Hello and welcome guys. In this short and basic video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Steam in your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. And also this method will work in PC. So just open any web browser and search Steam. You will see this official link. Welcome to Steam. Click on it. Now here in upside you will see one option, install Steam. Click on it. Then install. Now wait for a few seconds. Once this downloading finished, double click on this setup file, then click on next. Select your language and next, then install. Once this complete, click on finish. Now once this installation process complete, open your Steam and create a new account if you not have, and if you have your account, so click on login to an exiting account. Enter your account name and password, then login. So this way guys, you can download and install Steam application in your Windows 11 system. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.